Hi everybody, welcome to Circle Time with me, Mr. Elephant. Circle Time. Circle Time with Mr. Elephant. Circle Time. Circle Time with Mr. Elephant. Today's Circle Time is dedicated to my favorite painter, Eric Carle. On today's schedule, we're going to sing hello, read a book, sing a song, do an activity, and then talk about the instrument of the day. And then we'll be all done. Let's sing hello. Hello, my friends, how are you? Hello, my friends, how are you? I'm happy, I'm sad, and I am mad. I'm hungry, I'm thirsty, and I am tired. How are you doing today? Oh, hi, buddy.
Hi, how are you?
How am I today?
Yeah.
Today, I feel happy.
Oh, good.
Buddy, how are you?
I'm sad.
Aww. Well, let me know if I can help cheer you up, bud.
Oh, thanks.
All right, see you later.
Okay, bye.
Next, let's read a book. Today's book is one of my favorites. It's called The Greedy Python. The Greedy Python by Richard Buckley and illustrated by Eric Carle. Half hidden in the jungle green, the biggest snake there's ever been wound back and forth and in between. The giant snake was very strong and very, very, very long. He had a monstrous appetite. His stomach stretched from left to right. He quickly gobbled in one bite whatever creature came in sight. A mouse that scampered to and fro. A frog that jumped up from below. A bat that hung from his left toe. A fish that swam a bit too slow. A bird that flew a bit too low. A porcupine still half asleep. A monkey who was in mid-leap. A leopard sitting in a tree. A buffalo who came to see. An elephant, complete with trunk, was swallowed in a single chunk. "I'm far too big to eat," he cried. "Oh, no, you're not," the snake replied. At last, the python's meal was done, and he lay resting in the sun. The animals inside his skin were making quite a dreadful din. "Hey, let me out of here!" "Oh, no, it's so dark!" "You snake. And when they all began to kick, the snake began to feel quite sick. He coughed the whole lot up again, each one of them, and there were 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He soon felt better, and what's more, was hungrier than just before. He hadn't learned a single thing. His greed was quite astonishing. He saw his own tail, long and curved, and thought that lunch was being served. He closed his jaws on his own rear, then swallowed hard, and disappeared. The end. What a great book. Now let's sing a song. I want to sing Brown Bear, What Do You See? Which is also a book by Eric Carle. Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? We see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. Now, let's do the activity. I really love animals, and I think you might too. So, today, I'd like to act like some of them. Let's roar like a bear. Let's waddle like a duck. Now let's jump like a frog. Boing, boing, boing. Next, let's flutter like a butterfly. Flutter. And finally, let's chomp like a T-Rex. Well, that was fun. Let's talk about the instrument of the day. The guitar. Now, most guitars have 6 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's a lot of different ways you can play the guitar, and all of them are awesome. You can play fast. You can play slow. You can play loud. You can play soft. You can play with a pick, like this. Or you can play with your fingers. However you want to play guitar, I think it's super cool. Well, that means we are all done. Thanks for being here, friends. I'm so glad to be back. Let's remember to keep reading our Eric Carle and keep being nice to each other. All right, stay awesome. See you later.
Mr. Elephant Show. The Mr. Elephant Show. We like to read, we like to run, we like to have a lot of fun on the Mr. Elephant Show.
For more, check out Mr. Elephant on YouTube, Spotify, or wherever you get your music.